Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali o magandang gabi o anumang oras ninyong napanood ang videong ito. Welcome sa lahat ng mga viewers at salamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers. Salamat din sa mga sumusuporta sa ating YouTube channel. Ngayong umaga ay atin pong pag-aralan itong homogeneous differential equation, wherein we have to find solutions on this problem. Okay? An equation with a set of variables that combine a differentiation and a function is known as a homogeneous differential equation. In homogeneous differential equation, the function m x comma y and n x comma y is a homogeneous function such that for any non-zero constant, a homogeneous differential equation has a general form m x comma y dx plus n x y dy equals 0. So, ang solution natin, if m is simpler, then use x equals by. Yung by is a product rule. So, ang atin pong differentiation, so kapag i-differentiate natin, so the derivative of x is equal to the product rule, no? V dy plus dy dv. And then, if n is simpler, then use y equals bx, wherein the derivative of y is equal to v dx plus x dv. Alright, example 1. Solve the quantity x squared plus y squared dx plus xy dy equals 0 passes to point 1, 2. Now, i-check natin kung ito ay homogeneous differential equation. So, paano natin malaman? Dapat, yung degree, yung ating degree ng bawat term ay parehas, no? So, makita natin yung x squared, yung degree natin ay 2. Yung y squared ay 2 din. Tapos, sa x and y, 2 rin sila kasi yung x ay 1, tapos yung y ay 1 din ang kanyang exponent. So, kung titinayad natin, that is 2. So, ibig sabihin, ito po ay homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so ang n natin ay x squared plus y squared, tapos ang n ay xy. N is simpler, so gagamitin natin si y equals vx and dy equals v dx plus x dv. Okay, so solution x squared plus vx quantity squared, okay, dx plus x bx times v dx plus x dv equals 0. Okay, kasi yung atin pong y squared ay vx, so kaya substitute natin vx quantity squared, tapos doon sa may xy, x bx. Okay, tapos yung dy natin ay v dx plus x dv. Okay, so ayusin natin, simplify natin ng maayos. Okay, so x squared dx, dinidistribute natin si dx. So x squared dx plus yung vx quantity squared, so v squared x squared dx plus x squared v squared. Okay? So kapag i-distribute po natin yung ating x vx times v dx. So kaya po x squared and v squared k dx. Tapos kapag i-distribute natin din yung x vx sa ating x dv, so maging vx cube dv equals 0. Okay? So, yung v squared x squared dx ay parehas sa x squared v squared dx. Medyo nabaliktad lang yung x squared at saka v squared, no? Pero parehas lang po sila. So, makita natin. So, i-combine natin yung dalawa. So, that is x squared dx plus 2v squared x squared dx plus vx cubed dv equals 0. Since x squared ay common sa tatlong terms, so multiply natin ng 1 over x squared both sides of the equation. And we come up dx equal plus 2b squared dx plus bx dv equals 0. Okay? Tapos, combine natin, pagsamahin natin yung may mga dx, no? Para makabuo tayo ng gamitin natin yung variable separable na method. Okay? So, gagawin natin, multiply natin ng 1 over x times 1 plus 2v squared, no? Both sides of the equation para magkaroon tayo ng variable separable. Okay? So, ang lalabas niyan ay dx over x plus v dv over 1 plus 2v squared equals 0. Okay? Tapos, i-integrate na natin. So, the integral of dx over x plus the integral of v dv over 1 plus 2v squared equals 0. So, ang integral ng dx over x ay ln x plus ang integral ng v dv over 1 plus 2v squared equals 0. So, dito, mag-let u tayo. Let u equals 1 plus 2v squared. So, ang magiging du niya ay 4v dv. So, the derivative of u ay 4v dv. Yan. So, lagay natin doon sa ating, substitute natin doon sa ating isang integral. So, ang du natin ngayon ay 4v dv. Kaya lang ang given lang natin ay v dv. So, dagdag tayo ng 4. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng 1/4 dito po sa labas ng ating integral form para po, ibig sabihin, masatisfy natin yung ating terms o yung ating derivative, no? Kasi nagdagdag ka ng 4, so dapat maglagay ka rin ng 1/4 para that is 1, no? 1 lang din 'yon. Okay? So 1/4 integral of du over u equals the integral of 0. So you have now ln x plus 1/4 ln u, okay, equals c. Okay, sa integral ng 0 ay constant, no? So, ngayon, para matanggal natin si 1/4, so multiply 4 both sides of the equation. So, 4 times ln x plus 1/4 ln u equals c. So, magiging 4 ln x plus, ang u natin ay 1 plus 2v squared equals c. So, since 4 times c ay c pa rin yun, constant, no? Okay. So, 4 ln x plus ln of 1 plus 2v squared equals c. So, rule ng ating properties ng logarithm. So, 4 ln x is equal to ln of x to the fourth plus ln of 1 plus 2v squared equals c. Tapos, property of logarithm again. So, kapag dalawang logarithm pinag-plus, so that is a product, no? The product of the logarithm. So, ln x to the fourth times 1 plus 2v squared equals c. Okay, so para matanggal natin si ln, lalagyan natin ng e both side. So, e raised to ln x to the fourth times 1 plus 2v squared equals e to the c. So, naging x to the fourth times 1 plus 2v squared equals c. A to the c ay c, no? So, substitute natin, kasi hindi pa yun ang final answer natin. Ngayon, if substitute natin, cy equals vx. Alam natin, y equals vx, so that is v equals y over x. Kaya, nakasubstitute na siya, no? So, that is, ang v natin ay y over x. Okay? So, you have now x to the fourth times 1 plus 2 y squared x squared equals c. So, kapag i-distribute natin si x to the fourth, so you have x to the fourth plus 2x squared y squared equals c. Okay? Now, mayroon tayong condition at point, ito na po yung ating general solution. Okay? So, general solution na po natin yan. Yan. Since mayroon tayong condition that passes through point 1, 2. So, kukunin natin si c. Okay? So, at point 1, 2, so, substitute natin yung atin pong 1 ay, yung x is 1 and y is 2. So, 1 to the fourth plus 2 times 1 squared times 2 squared equals c. So therefore, ang C natin ay 1 plus 2 times 4, and that is 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 equals 9. So therefore, ang ating particular solution ay x to the fourth plus 2x squared y squared equals 9. So yun po yung ating sagot. Okay. So example 2, x cubed plus y cubed dx minus x y squared plus x squared y dy equals 0. So check natin kung ito ba ay homogeneous differential equation. Sabi dito, yung ating x cubed mayroong degree ng 3 at mayroon ding ang y cubed mayroong degree na 3. So parehas po ang kanilang degree. And then ang x y squared 3 din ang kanilang degree, combine, no? Yung x mayroong 1, yung y squared may 2. So combine, so 3. Yung x squared y, 3 din ang kanilang degree since ang x squared 2, ang y ay 1. So parehas ang degree, so yun po ay ating homogeneous differential equation. In this case, ang m natin ay x cubed plus y cubed, ang n natin ay xy squared plus x squared y. Now, kapag ako pipiliin ko yung n as simpler kasi makikita natin yung power niya, yung degree natin ay hanggang 2. So, squared lang. Compared dito sa isa ay cube. Okay, so medyo mahirap konti kapag cube ang gagamitin natin. Okay, so let y equals vx and dy is v dx plus x dv. Okay, so ngayon substitute natin yung ating given doon sa ating equation. Yung y natin, vx, so x cubed plus vx cubed dx minus x, tapos yung y squared, so naging vx quantity squared plus x squared, yung y natin ay vx times the dy. So v dx plus x dv equals 0. Okay? So, ayusin natin. So that is x cubed dx plus v cubed x cubed dx minus v squared x cubed, no? Kasi kapag i-multiply natin yung vx squared, so magiging v squared x squared times x, so v squared x cubed plus yung x squared times vx is v x cubed, okay, times yung ating dv v dx plus x dv equals 0. Okay, so makita natin yung b cubed x cubed dx minus b cubed x cubed dx, so parehas, so makakancel natin yung nakakulay red, no? Minus b squared x to the fourth dv minus b squared x cubed dx. So para po nakuha yan, nag-distributed property po tayo, no? Yung ating, kasi binomial, no? Yung b squared x cubed plus bx cubed times v dx plus x dv, so binomial term. So product of binomial, and magkaiba po yung mga terms nila. So, naging negative, distribute natin si negative. So, negative v cubed x cubed dx. Tapos, kapag si v squared x cubed, multiply natin sa x dv. So, you have negative v squared x to the fourth dv. Tapos, si bx cubed times natin sa sa v dx. So, negative v squared x cubed dx. Tapos minus yung ating vx cubed times x dv. So negative vx to the fourth dv equals 0. Okay? So matitira na lang, cancel natin yung nakakulay red. So x cubed dx minus b squared x to the fourth dv minus b squared x cubed dx minus vx to the fourth dv equals 0. Okay? Since common si x cubed both sides, so ang gagawin natin, we have to multiply 1 over x cubed para mas mapasimple yung atin pong equation, ang pababaw natin. Okay? So ang matitira na lang ay dx minus b squared x dv minus b squared dx minus vx dv equals 0. So, yun na natitira, no? Tapos, ayan, nare-write natin. Okay, nire-write lang natin yan. Tapos, combine natin yung may mga parihas, no? Yung, tawag natin, dapat parehas yung kanilang dx. So mga dx, combine natin kasi mamaya magkaroon tayo ng variable separable. So lahat ng may dx, combine natin. Lahat ng dv, combine din natin. Okay? So, yan po yon. So, yung dx minus b squared dx, so labas natin si dx, so matitira ay 1 minus b squared minus sa vx dv plus b squared x dv. Kapag ilabas natin si dv, tapos factor out natin si vx, so negative vx times 1 plus v dv equals 0. Tapos, multiply natin both side ng 1 over 1 minus b squared x. Multiply po natin both side yan. Okay, so magtitira ay dx over x na lang minus, na-cancel natin si x dito din sa kabila. So, maging v times 1 plus b dv divided by 1 minus b squared over equals 0. Okay? So, kapag i-factor out natin yung numerator, itong 1 minus b squared, that is the difference of 2 square. So, you have 1 plus b and 1 minus b. So, kapag i-factor out natin, so you have now the integral of dx over x minus the integral of b times 1 plus b dv divided by 1 plus b times 1 minus b. So, na-cancel natin yung nakakulay red, yung 1 plus b. So, matitira natin ay ln x. Okay, yung negative na sign, pinasok natin doon sa v, so negative v. So, naging plus yung natitira dito sa ating operation. Ngayon, gagawin natin, mag-add 1 tayo sa v, so 1 minus b, tapos mag-minus 1 tayo. So, 0 din yun, 1 minus 1 ay 0. Tapos, 1 minus b ang ating divisor. Okay? Okay, tapos atin pong paghiwalayin. So, ln x plus the integral of 1 minus b db over 1 minus b plus integral of negative b. Okay, so nakakancel natin yung nakakulay red na 1 minus b. No? So, ang matitira ay ito na. Okay, integral of the ln x plus the integral of dv plus the integral of negative dv over 1 minus b equals 0. And let u equals 1 minus b. Okay. Ang du natin ay negative dv. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating du sa ibabaw ay okay na yon, no? Negative dv. So, du. So, du over u. Okay, so we have now ln x plus b times the integral of negative b over 1 minus b equals integral of 0. So, since du over u na po yon, yung ating negative dv divided by 1 minus b, so ln of 1 minus b na po tayo. That is u, no? So, ln x plus b plus ln of 1 minus b equals c. So, ln x plus ln of 1 minus b equals c minus b. So, nilipat natin muna si b, o transpose natin sa other side of the equation. So, naging c minus b. As the property of logarithm, so kapag sum ng ln, dalawang ln, so magiging product po siya. No? ln x times 1 minus b equals c minus v. Okay? So, para matanggal natin si ln, lagay natin ng e. So, e raised to ln x 1 minus v times equals e raised to c minus v. So, natanggal natin si ln. So, matira ay x times 1 minus b equals e raised to c times e raised to negative v. But, ang y natin ay vx. Okay? So, substitute ang ating v ay y over x. So, substitute natin. So, x times 1 minus y over x equals c times e raised to negative y over x. So, kapag i-distribute natin si x, no? So, that is x times 1 is x, tapos x times negative y over x, so naging y na lang. Okay, tapos itong a raised to negative y over x, para ma-positive natin, so ang gagawin natin, multiply natin ng a raised to negative, a raised to y over x, no? So a raised to y over x times x minus y. Okay, so magiging x minus y times e raised to y over x equals c. So yun na po yung ating general solution. This is your activity, no? So try to answer this. Practice, no? Practice. So maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope you learned from this video. And if you are satisfied, please like and write your comment and subscribe to my channel. And you can share also this to another students in mathematics or engineering o sa mga related subjects na mayroon pong differential equations. Again, maraming salamat. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon at mabuhay tayong lahat. Matuto lovers, kaya dapat matuto dapat.